Hi, this is the OPPO A18 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner does on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this option is and as it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the fingerprint works here fast and correct, and we just unlocked the device successfully without any problems. So you could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.